Hello, amazing learners and great minds. You're welcome back to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at an important topic, and that is long division. What do we have? Long division. We're going to be dividing numbers using long division method. Let's go to the board and solve some examples. Number one example says 72 divided by 4. 72 divided by 4. So I'll put my symbol here. Put 72 inside. This is the dividend. The one that is being divided will be inside. The number that is dividing, which is the divisor, will be outside. So, we're going to be taking the steps. There are steps to be taken whenever you are carrying out long division. These steps are: the first step is divide. The second step, multiply. The third step is to subtract. The fourth step is to bring down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. You can remember these steps using this. Dirty monkey smells bad. Dirty for divide, monkey for multiply, smell for subtract, bad for bring down. So let us see how to apply this method. It's very, very simple. Stay tuned to the end. Make sure you watch it to the end, because there are so many things I'm going to be bringing in the course, so many examples that will help you to understand the concept very well. The last one will be very, very wow. Okay. 7 divided by 4. How many 4 can I find in 7? If I count 7, I have to count 4 once. So I'll write 1. That is the first step, divide. 7 divided by 4. It can only give me 1 4. That's 1. And the next step is multiply. 1 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. And the third step is to subtract. I'll put my subtraction sign. 7 minus 4 will give me what? 3. And the next step is to bring down. So this digit here, I'm going to bring it down. I'll bring it down here. So I have 32 here. I will start the step again all over. Divide. 32 divided by 4. How many 4 can you find in 32? 4 times 8 is 32. So 32 divided by 4 will give me 8. The next step is to multiply. 8 times 4, that is 32. And the next step is to subtract. 32 minus 32. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 72 divided by 4 has given us this answer, which is 18. This is very, very simple. Watch the next one so that you understand when you're dividing 3 digits. And there are so many other things that you need to know that will help you to. Alright, the second example. 705 divided by 3. What do I do? I'll start the process again. My 705 will be inside. The 3, which is the divisor, will be outside. So you know we're going to take it 1 digit at a time. 1 digit at a time. 3 divides 7. 3 divides 7. How many 3 can I find in 7? I can find 2. Because 3 times 2 is 6. So if 3 divides 7, it can only give me only 2. And the next step is to multiply. 2 times 3. That is 6. The next step is to subtract. 7 minus 6. That will give me 1. And I have another step, which is to bring down. I'm going to bring down this 0 here. And I'll continue the process again. 10 divided by 3. This is why the first step. 10 divided by 3, I will have 3. Multiply. 3 times 3, 9. And I have to do what? Subtract, which is the next step. 10 minus 9 is 1. And I have the step here. I'll bring down this 5. So you can see we have 15. We'll repeat the process again. 15 divided by 3. That will give me 5. 5 times 3. That will give me 15. We go back to subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1, 0. I have come to the end of this division, and my final answer is 235. 235. So let's look at this last example, which is very, very important. But if you have got value from this video, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I'm posting interesting lessons. So kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified anytime I upload video on this channel. And give this video a thumbs up and kindly share. You might be helping someone when you share this video. Have you subscribed? Thank you. Okay, let's go back to the next one. 424 divided by 8. And when you look at this, 4 is smaller than 8. If I say 4 divided by 8, it cannot go. So I'm going to group these two digits together, and that becomes 42. 4 and 2, 42. 42 divided by 8, and I'll have 5. 5 times 8, 40. So the next step is subtract. 2 minus 0, 2. This is 0. And the next step is to bring down. I'll bring down my 4. This becomes 24. I'll start the first step again. 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8. What is it? 3. 3 times 8, 24. I've done the multiplication. The next one is subtract. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. And since I've gotten to this point, there is no other number to bring down. We have finally divided this completely, and our answer is 53. You can see with this step, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, which you can remember by dirty monkey smells bad. You can remember these steps and applying them systematically, step by step. You are going to find long division very, very interesting and easy. Thank you for watching this video to this end. See you in my next video. Bye.